See, as I set the gele for you, my odor, make you shine with ComronCreative style. We tie and with vibes, no need for wahala. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Make you drip with that Niger flavor, sure. With ComronCreative style, you're a superstar. With ComronCreative style. See, as I set the gele for you, my odor, make you shine with ComronCreative style.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are making Auto Gele based on what you have seen on the screen. Okay, so we are going to cut our base. I'll be using 23 inches into two places. We'll use it for we'll call it back or base, I don't know, whichever one you call it. This is the one that will be at the back. This is 23, so we'll cut 23 into two places. Okay, so I'll be using 2 for the back cover. Okay, that is this. Then we are making V shape, so I'll be cutting 15 into two places. 15 into two places. Use it for our V. Okay. Our V band. Okay, you're welcome guys. So if today is your first time of joining us, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can know when we upload new video. Okay, okay, this is for the band. Then we will start cutting our design on top. Okay, okay, I'll be cutting 25 in two places. Okay, 25 in two places. So keep watching and learning. 25 into two places. Guys, I want to ask you, how long have you, or how many times have you cut your tape rule, your measurement tape? Hey, I have done it severally. I just got this new one now. I have done it severally. Okay, this is 25. Then we are going to cut 28. Okay. I will cut out 28 inches. Okay, so I'm also cutting it into two places. Okay, we are cutting 28 into two places. 28 inches into two places. So these are our 28. Then we will cut 32 into two places. 32. We're cutting 32 into two places. Keep watching and learning. And if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, so these are 32. These are 32. Then I'll put 42. Let me say 40. Let me cut 40. I'll cut 40 into one place. 40 in one place. This is 40 into one place. Then we'll cut our handle. Our handle is 12 inches. We'll be using 2 handles. Okay. So I'll cut Our handle will be 12 inches in 2 places. I will show you what I'm going to do on this handle. I will make the handle tiny. Okay, so I'm cutting 12 inches for the handle. So we are cutting two of it. Okay. So in this handle 12 inches, I'm going to split it into 2 like this. So one will serve for the back cover, which is the cap, and one will serve for the design that will be on top. Okay, so keep watching and learning. And if this is your first time of joining us, coming back to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So I will divide it into 2. Okay guys, welcome back. So we have finished completing the sewing and joining. Okay, so you can see how long it's looking at. Okay, so let me explain. This is the full length. Okay, we have the 40. This is the bar, which is the cover. Okay, this is the 15 inches that we cut it to 2. We use it to do the base. Okay, so after pleating it, we join it together, and this is our handle. Okay, our 12 inches handle divided by 2. Okay, we join them together. Then from the back, okay, where my hand is pointing is 42 one piece. Then so the next one is 35 by 2, then followed by 28 by 2, then 25 by 2. Then we have the cover, which is the back cover. Okay, the cap itself, which is 23 by 2. Then we have the 15 inches by 2 pleated to be our base. Okay, so guys, if this is your first time joining, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notifications so you know when we upload new tutorial. So now it's for us to start coupling. Okay, to start pleating it, coupling. So we are going to use the old model. So don't forget to use your matching thread and your scissors for it. So guys, do you remember this this bucket? So that's what we are going to use for our pleating process. So what we are going to do now, we are going to tie it and start pleating. So remember what we normally use initially, this bouquet, before we start using doll baby. So guys, you tie your rope and you start pleating. Okay, so we are going to pleat it one after the other to achieve our result. So feel free to like, comment, and ask your questions. So if you have watched me to this level, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn up the notification bell. Okay, so guys, this is with pleating it, and this is beginner friendly. So we are going to pleat. You can see how long it is. So we are going to pleat to the end. So join me as we go. So keep watching and learning, and if you have any question, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ask your question on the comment section. I'll be right there waiting for you. So this is me pleating, making sure the pleat is smooth and unique. So guys, what do you have to say about this my method of using the bucket, the coaster bucket? So guys, so how do you see it? Comments on the comment section. I'll be at the comment section waiting for you and to reply your questions and give you answer that you deserve. Okay, so guys, keep watching and learning as we play together. Thank you guys, I really appreciate you for always coming by watching my video. God bless you richly.
See, as I said, the jelly for you, my odor. Make you shine with ComronCreative style. We tie and with vibes, no need for wahala. Yeah. Oh yeah. Make you drip with that Niger flavor, Jor. With ComronCreative style, you're a superstar. With ComronCreative style. See, as I said, the jelly for you, my odor. Make you shine with ComronCreative style. We tie and with vibes, no need for wahala. Yeah. Oh yeah. Make you drip with that Niger flavor, Jor. With ComronCreative style, you're a superstar. With ComronCreative style. See, as I set the gele for you, my odor. Make you shine with ComronCreative style. We tie and with vibes, no need for wahala. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Make you drip with that Niger flavor, sure. With ComronCreative style, you're a superstar. With ComronCreative style. See as I set the gele for you, my odor. Make you shine with ComronCreative style. We tie and with vibes, no need for wahala. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Make you drip with that Niger flavor, sure. With ComronCreatives.
This is our process of doing the design by the side. So just the way you do your normal fan, okay? So this is the way we process, okay? So watch and learn.
Make you shine with ComronCreative style. We tie and with vibes, no need for a